Hi and happy Wednesday. Today we are answering another why on Wednesday. I'm Julia Gentry and I'm with Ideal Capital Investments. Today I wanted to answer the why that I get asked all the time, which is why real estate, why now, and why multifamily. I was reading in a recent article about the best investments in a recession, and the four biggest things that they said to be investing in is gold and silver, real estate, treasury bonds, and your own business. For us, we do invest in real estate and we find it to be extremely lucrative in the arena of multifamily. And the reason why is because the demand is growing exponentially, truthfully. We are seeing the second largest generation come into the marketplace, which is called the Echo Boomers, and those are people within the age range of 18 to 35 years old, and there's more than 4 million people that are going to be moving into the marketplace looking for a place to live. The majority of those people aren't necessarily going to be able to go out and purchase a home right off the bat, so they're probably going to downsize or start at the basics, which is an apartment. On top of that, there's 1 out of every 8 Americans that are in some way, shape, or form facing foreclosure. Some of them actually may be able to recover from that, but the others are inevitably going to lose their home. And it's going to take them a couple of years before they can actually be able to purchase a new home. So they're going to have to position themselves to rent, and the majority of those people will most likely rent in an apartment. And then the third thing is that we are at an all-time high of unemployment across the United States. We're seeing that there's about 1.5 million people out of a job right now, and many of them are going to have to downsize the place that they live, again leaning towards apartments. So as you can see, the demand is going to be growing greater and greater and greater as the years go on, as we're seeing an increase in population, an increase in foreclosures, an increase in the unemployment rate, and we're going to need to be able to provide people with a place to live, which is why multifamily is such a lucrative investment to be putting your money into right now, on top of the fact that it's also just a great investment for cash flow and really diversifying and growing your wealth. So that's why we choose real estate, that's why we choose it now, and that's why we choose multifamily. So thanks for joining us again on another Wednesday as we're answering the whys. We hope to see you next week.